It's the one and only Happy Hungry Hippie. Welcome everybody. What we're going to cover this week is a cookbook review, and this is a wonderful present for my birthday from my mum and dad, Avril and John. So just like to say thank you, really appreciate it. I've not actually seen or heard of this book before. I've heard of Jo Pratt, the author. You can see here, that's Jo there. This book I'm really taken back by. I really like the concept of where this book is going. It is the flexible vegetarian. The reason that I like it is because it's not in your face, it's not overbearing, it's just a general book which covers lots of different recipes from all over the world. It reminds me quite a bit of Ottolenghi's work. It's got a lot of Middle Eastern food in there, a lot of Mediterranean food, and I really like the illustrations and the way, even Asian inspired, but the breakdown of the book and also the chapters are really good, really interesting. Love the illustrations. So it has a nice introduction. Really love the section, the flexible store cupboard, which sort of tells you the things to get in. Breakfast, brunch, and this covers a wide range of different vegetarian breakfasts. Soups, broths, small plates, big plates, dips and bits, and then a very, very small section and then just on meat for those who are wanting to phase away from eating less meat. And that's what I love about this book. It's not in your face, it's just, come on, we all know we need to cut back on eating meat where we can. It's got really good fats, really good proteins, and a really varied diet and absolutely delicious. Just to skim through this, you know, it also shows you how to make hummuses, all different kinds of pestos. Really love this part. Tomato tofu sauce, really different. I just absolutely love it. Turkish pied with spinach and aubergine, summer spelt, pasta ribbons, and all, you know, and there isn't too much pasta. There's only 2 or 3 pasta dishes in here, but seasonal vegetable tarts. We're looking forward to covering a lot of these recipes on my YouTube channel. Look, we're going to really start eating a lot of soups. This spinach soup looks absolutely amazing. Roast corn chowder. And it's really seasonal as well. Nice mushrooms on toast. You know, just some really simple little recipes. Yes, so I do recommend this, the Flexible Vegetarian. Really good book. We'd just like to thank my mum and dad for getting me this. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lots of love and passion going into this show. Also, turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 PM. Cover lots of recipes, cookbooks, nutrition, and please do check out my playlist for other cookbook reviews where I've covered quite a wide range of different cookbooks now. So, stay safe, enjoy.